Well, let me show you to create and attach a Google document to an email. So first of all, you go to Google as you see. Then here you type in Google Docs. Google Doc. So when you type in Google Doc, it's going to display for you this interface. So you go to this link that has docs.google.com, and what you have to make sure, you have to make sure that you have already logged into your Gmail account. So you come here in black document. I need a black document since we are creating a new document. So I'm going to paste here the content that I want in my document. Then if I need to save this, this is how you do it. You come here, you click on file, then from here you go to where there is, you move across, then you go to save, make a copy. You click on make a copy, you give it a name. Let me give it Sharif, that is my file name. Then I click on make a copy. So after creating your file, as you have seen, I want to attach this file to my email address. So the electric goes straight away to my email address, as you're seeing. Then I click on compose. Then I have to put here the address where I'm sending my email to, Jesse Justin. Then down here we have a menu and we have an icon that says insert files using Drive. So I'm going to click on that icon, and then it's going to display for me this interface. So you're seeing my document here, the one that I've just created. So I'm going to click on it like this. You select it, then you insert. When you insert, your document has been, you have to put this, let me add the subject, job review. Let my subject be job review. Then after that, I'm going to click on send. So when you click on send, it displays this interface. You want Justin to just view, or you want him to be a commenter or to be an editor. So let me select, I want him to make a few changes. And also here we have an option, allow anyone with the link to access. Yes, let me give them access. Then you click on what? You click on send. You click on send. You have to click on what? Click on send. So you share with Justin alone. So when you click on send, as you're seeing, and you go to view messages, you're going to see that I've attached a document, and the document name is Sharif, and the recipient, it is Justin. So that's how you're able to attach a Google Doc to a Gmail account. Thank you. See you